Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to verify Doctor X profile completely. We've been trying to solve Doctor X multiverse from some of our videos. So if you are new to this, you can just go search our video. You're going to see a lot of Doctor X multiverse. So now let's completely search it. So we're going to open our Doctor X. Let's wait for the Doctor X to open, and the next thing you need to do is okay. Now you can do what I'm talking about is here. You can see, just click on multiverse address. So it's going to take us directly to where we'll be able to solve it. So the next thing we need to do is we need to follow everything. So guys, let's okay now. So after that, click on this I understand and click on start. Now the first step is you have to what? Verify your KYC process on Doctor X meme. You can see. So we need to what? Go to Doctor X meme to complete our KYC process. And after that, you have to follow them on X, follow them on ION on X, multiversx, follow this. After you do all this, you're going to click on verify. So now let's start. Doctor X copy the exact text below and post it on your X profile. So you can see. So I'm going to copy like this. I'm going to copy like this. You can see. Click on copy. Then you go to your Twitter account. So open your Twitter account. Once you open your Twitter account, click on this. Okay, sorry guys. Click on this plus. Click on post. Once you click on post, I think it's network. So I'm going to click on this. So the network is not good, so let's wait for it. Okay guys, sorry for that guys. I think the network is doing rubbish, so I'll just have to click on the paste here. Once you click on what you have, you can see, just click on save. Click on post. So now let's see. So we're going to go and copy the URL. How do you copy the URL? We're going to go to our post. You're going to see the post that I post now. You can see. So if you want to copy the URL, click on this straight line. Then you're going to see Okay, I'm going to click on on this your share button here. Click on this. Then we're going to see URL. You can see, just click on copy link. I'm going to go and paste the link this place now. So I'm going to paste the link here. Click on paste. You can see, and click on mark as complete. The next thing is you're going to follow X here. Just click on here. You're going to go directly to go and follow it. You can see I've already followed. I'm going to go back. I'm going to mark as complete. The next thing is you're going to follow iOS. Click on here. Once you click on here, and it's going to take you directly to the iOS. I'm already following it. You can see if you haven't followed it, click on following. And after that, just go back. Sorry for that. So I'll follow this. Now let me see if I follow the multiverse. Okay, now I've not followed multiverse. Just click on follow. Go back. So I'm going to mark as complete. Mark as complete. Mark as complete. So once you follow them, you can continue mark as complete. Now here I'm going to follow the Doctor X. Click on follow. Once you follow them, just make sure you back. You can see mark as complete. The next thing is this one. Click on here. You can follow it. You can see, and just go back. Then click on this and click on verify. You can see. So guys, for this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. You can see it's going to completely, and we are done. Thank you guys.